Feta from Cape Master. We are located in Erie, Colorado, actually local here. We've been overlanding for years, actually, before we started the business about a year and a half ago. And right now we are doing components for RVs, venture vans, and Jeep stuff. This van has been built since 2019. It took about good half a year to build it. It's a Sprinter 170 base. It's got a shower, it's got a kitchen, got 2 beds. It can sit about 5 people if needed, and it's got 50 gallons of water, 24,000 kilowatts of electricity. Our engineer who built this is an electric engineer, so he uses a Tesla battery. The main feature of this rig, we had a design to be open concept because all the various sports that you do in Colorado, mountain biking, snow activities, and summer kayaking and stuff. So we wanted to keep that galley open. So you'll see it has a long galley open. You can probably feed, 14 feet or whatever in here. Which I think is a great feature. We got 2 beds. One is on a happier jack lift system that comes down, which it was modified. And the other one is our product that we were rolling out, that is a bench bed system. It become a bench. It started with an I-shaped bench. It become an L-shaped bench or a U-shaped bench, a booth, and then it eventually become a bed. The storage rows with it. You don't lose any storage, and that works with our design with the table on one side instead of a lot of people has the bench on both sides and had the table in the middle. That was our design on the bed system that we think is more utilitarian and useful, and without losing any options. Everything is aluminum because after 5 years in RVing or overlanding life, you realize wood doesn't work in RVs rig as much as the aluminum. Our engineer does a good job in developing everything. I can't take credit for it. As far as overlanding, so this rig is mainly used for the winter when we go skiing or snowboarding. This will be parked at the ski resort. In the summer or in the spring shoulder season, we take it down to Shefford, we take it down to White Rim before. Not suggested, it is still a little bit too long for that route, but it was beautiful and it was wonderful to have a shower down there as well. As far as Jeep goes, Jeep can go anywhere. Jeep can go wherever you want it to go. Our favorite place other than Moab, Oregon is a beautiful state. It's got this inland version part of it that there's enough 4x4 trails, but not, they're not hard or anything. They're just beautiful. Washington and Oregon, that corner is just beautiful to go. Tahoe, you can't beat that. That's a whole another Sierra Nevadas, the whole ridge, all the way down to the Alabama hills. It's beautiful to go. And then, of course, the beautiful Utah that you can't beat. You can just go anywhere from there. We mainly travel the west side of the country. We haven't really hit the east side that much at all. We are going to the Overland East show, so hopefully to explore something over there.